You might feel unhappy, confused, disoriented. Don't know what the future might bring. Maybe you're even afraid of it. You have so many questions and no answers. Now, what you do not need at this moment is a religious book of any kind. You do not need a coaching, nor do you need therapy. All the answers you're looking for, your spirit, your soul already knows. And it tries so desperately to talk to you. You just don't listen. Every time your soul tries to talk to you, you distract yourself with people, activities, parties, random encounters. The entire outside world is especially designed to distract you from reconnecting and communicating with your soul. Because you might find answers that make you useless for the system. Just take a few days off, maybe just over the weekend. No TV, no music, no people, phone on airplane mode, and listen to the sound of silence. And you will start hearing your soul talking to you. And you should listen carefully. It might not be what you want to hear, but it is what you need to hear. Your soul doesn't lie. And you will understand that the world, the life that you're living, or what you call the best time of your life, is all fake. You understand that you don't need any guidance. You don't need to follow anyone, because your soul knows the direction. Your soul knows who you're supposed to be. This is what people call spiritual awakening.